What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do some Jamaican curry goat for you guys. I already cut in small pieces and wash. So I have some scallion. I'm just gonna season with my first seasoning and a little powder season for now. So I have some garlic and some onion and some thyme, some green onion. In Jamaica we call it scallion. And I have some pimento seed here, and I have a piece of ginger also. So now I'm gonna get right into it and season my curry goat and put it on the fire. I just add some fresh garlic to my meat. I'm gonna cut it too fine, so here is my pimento seed. For who don't know, for the Canadians, these are Jamaican spices, pimento seed. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna crush. Alright, and sprinkle it right here. And then I'm just gonna cut my onion. I'm just gonna use half of the onion now and leave the other half for the next. Then this is my thyme. Just gonna cut it like in 4 pieces. Yeah. That's my thyme. This is my scallion, which you Canadian know it as green onion, but we Jamaican we call it scallion. So that is it. And I also like to add a piece of ginger. The ginger in my curry goat. Yeah, so I cut it really fine. My carrots are gonna stay there. I'm gonna use them shortly. So now I'm gonna add my all-purpose season. Now I'm gonna add a little salt. Just sprinkle some salt to my curry. Don't want too much salt. And this is my peppercorn. Great. So now this is my curry, my better pack curry, real Jamaican curry. Some curry powder. This curry is very strong, so you don't want to use too much. Yeah. I'm just gonna add a little of the cool runnings all-purpose to the mixture. And then here's it. You just want to mix in all the spices together. Oh. This looks really good. Yeah. Just gonna add some more curry. Remember, you can always add, but it is so hard to minus. So you can always add if you need more. Wonderful this looks. Wow, look at it. Alright, so I already set my pot to preheat, so I'm just gonna add in a bit of cooked oil. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little curry No, we Jamaican, I don't really see the difference. Like, you have to burn some of the curry first, because once the curry is cooked, everything should be good. Once it is well seasoned, it should be good. So most people like to burn the curry before, but I don't really see the big difference. So now I'm gonna add my goat. Yeah. So I'm not gonna add any water. I'm just gonna cover it and let it sweat and get its own water for now, and then I will just keep on adding a little towards it so it cook. Okay guys, looking really good, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. Yeah, looking really good. Looking really good, guys. Alright guys, looking really good. Maybe I have to cook this for another 30 minutes, another 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the garnish like carrots and sweet pepper and some more onions and some Irish potato and other stuff, and a piece of scotch bonnet pepper also. So 30 minutes more and this should be, guys. So this is it after the 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna add some garnish. Yeah, that's my garnish. Guys, this is the garnish. Look really good. So a lot of Irish and carrots. Yeah. Wow, look at this, guys. This is the finishing look. Look really good. Smell really good. So now I'm going to serve and show you guys. Okay guys, so this is the finishing product. My Jamaican curry goat. Oh, lovely it is. Whoa, look at the texture of the gravy. Whoa, the garnish right around it, so beautiful. So I serve it with some rice and peas, and this is my vegetable. Thank you guys again for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe, remember to share this video. As you start watching the video, just click share to a friend, and remember to comment and share your views on the video. Also suggest topics to me, and so I can make recipe for you guys and a lot more. Okay, so thank you again for watching.